So they get clean food and clean water every single day, and we do the floors. So, which is, we've already fed them. Yeah. So we usually go through and feed them first.
I was down here at 6 this morning.
Boo, right.
No, it's more either that or argue with my husband's phone.
That's why they're so quiet then. They've already gotten their food. Yep. So you're going to be one-on-one with the ones at the hotel.
Okay.
You're not going to be behind the cage. You're going to actually be in there with them today. So
Okay.
and we'll show you what to do with them and how to handle
You
them.
know where the first aid kit is, right?
Yep, I saw it actually right on the thing today. Yay. Hopefully we won't need it.
It's not a question of if, it's when.
Yeah, that's true. When I started my own business in September, I knew I'd have some extra time, and I decided I love volunteering, and this would be really awesome, and it has been awesome. I love it.
That's
because
cool.
I love birds, and they don't have to be in my house. They don't have to poop all over everything and make a big mess. I can come and play with them every week and feed them and feel like I'm also contributing, because these are birds that have been, abandoned one way or another. So it's rewarding, except the days that I get bid.
Yeah. Okay.
Then not so much. I'm gonna grab a bucket here.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab 3 actually. Yeah. And some of the things you can. Hi, baby. You want to step up? No. See if you're reaching towards me. You don't want that. They're gonna bite. Step up. Step up. No. So you gotta watch if their feathers lift up, or if they start going at you, then you don't lift them up. I'm going to introduce you to some that are really nice that you can pick up. So Mosey loves me, but we'll see. See, he's getting a little. Come on in. Good morning. Who wants crackers? Who wants crackers? Crackers? So you can see all the different kinds. I can't remember all the names of them, but this is one. See how big he is? Green, and there's a blue front. And Mosley is. He's a different kind, I forget which kind. So lots of blue and golds. Rainbows are the red ones. The green back there. And then the green one perched over there is a different kind too. So there's, I think she's got every single kind of macaw that there is.
Wow.
Hi, Mosley. Hi, sweetheart. Wanna come? Step up. Step up. No. Crackers? No. What are you doing? Mosey's afraid of the broom. So when we come in to clean, he freaks out. What are you doing down there? They're looking at you. They're checking you out. These are new people. Who's that?
That's pretty too.
Yeah, you see how they're plucked, some of them too? So that was a really nice one actually. Hi, baby. How are you? Come here. Come here. No, be nice. Hi. Those are a little squirrely today, aren't you? Hi. Good morning. What's breakfast? Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Of the same breed.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like, look how tiny this one is. It's the tiniest of all. Louie, I'd never seen one of these. I think they're called a yellow ring or something like that. Yellow neck. Hi, baby. Do you want crackers? Crackers? Hi. So I had Louie for, 6 weeks at home. But he kept shooting all the stuff on the wall. It was like, you know what, I don't think we're going to do it. So Louie he's really happy here. He loves it.
I just got bit. It's okay.
They may, some of the ones that have been biting a lot are actually being removed.
Oh.
So there's another sanctuary that's near. So if somebody dumped their food. Hi. Did you guys dump your food on the ground? Silly birds. So somehow they got it off of there. This is fine if you don't look at it. Start screaming if you do. I've been in the gazebo for over 20 family, he landed in the backyard. And so they put out a notice, your birds, if you lost your bird, nobody responded. So in the meantime, they took their gazebo and made it into a bird cage. But they're now 90 years old and have dementia.
Oh, wow.
So they had to bring him to the sanctuary, but he's not used to being around people, so he's scared. And that's why the thing's over. If you put... Wait. That's here, it's okay. He's going to be introduced into the large fruit, so he should be okay. So you put that over him. But I wash the fruit and the water bowls, not the seed bowls, unless they poop in them. Okay. And I have to wash them and dry them, because we don't want them eating that. So, look at him checking you out. Oh, that's a great picture. Yeah. She likes to go like this on your cheek.
Hi, Ivan.
Hey, babe.
Oh, you're loud. My goodness.
But this one, I think it's that one there. It's the dark one. Whenever it came in, she would like fly over me and land on my head. And I couldn't get her off. And now she's just sweet as all get out. Wants to be with
Are you
me.
ready to step off, Dave?
Here.
There you go. He's just making his way
Hi,
my
Ivan.
hand. I didn't want him to step off.
Hi. Hi, Ivan.
Maybe. I don't have any treats for you.
Hi, Ivan.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
How come you're so quiet
Yeah,
today?
you're checking me out, aren't you?
Hi. You're so quiet, huh? Yeah.
Hi.
She likes it to kiss.
Oops.
Thank you. This is the best part, isn't it, Ivan?
Hi.
Should we go upside down? Ready? Oh, upside down! Look at you! Look at you, clown! I know, yeah. Ready to step off? Step off. See if she'll come to me and laugh. Here, baby, come. Yeah, this is a sweet baby. Here we go.